Hey, what's up YouTube? So I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of these glasses. They're going to be for my motorcycle. They were sent to me by a company called Kemi Moto. And they're basically like anti-fog glasses, and they have like anti-glare, and they're good for like riding. So here's how it comes. It comes in this nice little bag. It says Kemi Moto on it. So let's see. Okay, so it comes with looks like a bag for the glasses. Looks like here's the first lens. So you can change them all out for different riding. So if it's like really sunny out or if it's nighttime, you can change them out. And they're supposed to be anti-fog as well. So that's actually pretty dang nice. And this will actually also help out riding because my other sunglasses broke, so this works out perfect. So here's the actual frame. So let's check this out. Oh wow, they actually feel pretty good. It's got like rubber endings on the sides right here. Pretty soft. And then here's the frame. Let's see what else they have in here. It looks like they got more lenses right here. Oh yeah. So these are different color lenses. These are like clear. So I'll put these over here. Yeah, they get darker, it looks like. So these are like a yellow tint. Kind of reminds me of like Ant-Man. Let's see what these are. And these are like sunglasses, basically. These are like black. So let's figure out how to put these in there. Oh, yeah, and don't forget these. Looks like this is the strap for it. So if you want to put them on glasses so you don't lose them, I guess. You slip them on through the side, I believe. Yeah. So I'll just put them right through here. But let's put on these lenses and see what they look like. So let's see which ones. I'll try these ones first because they look cool. So we'll put these on. Oh wow. Okay. So I think they go in like this. I never owned these type of glasses, so I'm not too sure. Okay, it looks like, yeah, I feel it kind of clicking in. Yep. Oop. I don't want to push it too hard. I feel like I'm going to break them. There it goes. It's all the way in. Okay, there. So once you click them in, that's what they're going to look like. I just didn't want to break it. They feel pretty good though. They don't feel cheap. Okay, let me get that sticky stuff off of there. Oh, it's a hair. Alright. So put the lens in. I'm trying to not touch the lens, so there you go. There it goes. They'll pop right in. Okay. So that's what they look like. Pretty nice. Okay, I'll try them on. Put my other glass down. Alright. Pretty tight on my face. So that's what they look like. It's actually pretty nice. They actually fit my face nice. They're not actually hurting the sides right here or anything. They're pretty comfortable. And I guess the other thing is to just test it outside, and I'll give my review after a week. But let me try out the different lenses and see what they look like. Oh yeah, once they're in there, they're pretty good in there. There it goes. There's one. So I'm pushing it off at the sides, like right here. So I grab it right here and I just push. There it goes. Pop them out. And it says Kemi Moto on the side too. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's put on these yellow ones, see what they look like. Okay, that's what these look like. Try these out. Not too bad. I actually like them. They're not hurting my face. They fit comfortably. And I like how they snug around your whole side of your face right here. Okay, so here's the clear lens. Not too bad, but I would rather have something shaded or something from the sun, so doesn't look too bad though. But we'll try out now the sunglasses. Okay, here's with the shades on. I actually like these a lot. It's gonna be between these and then these lens. These are the ones I like the most. These are not too bad though. I'm gonna test it while I'm riding on my bike and see how it looks. Oh yeah, I also want to show you guys, so not only did it come with a carry case for the glasses, it also came with a cleaning cloth too, which is pretty nice. It feels really good. So if you get fingerprints on it, you can just wipe it off. So it looks pretty nice though. So now I'm gonna go take these for a ride and see how well they work. Yeah, I think these ones are definitely my favorite, so I'm gonna go out riding on with these and then test out the glare and see how well it works. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, I hope you can hear me. This is with the helmet on. It looks a lot better when you're wearing a helmet. Maybe these glasses don't fit my face right because they're pretty big, but with the helmet on it actually looks pretty good. And while riding, I already tested it and it actually looks pretty good. So I'm going to show you some video footage. Obviously you can't see through my lens, but while I was riding, it actually keeps wind out of your eyes and stuff, so it's pretty nice. And the glares, it doesn't come through as well either, so that's pretty good. So when you're riding, you don't get no blind spots or blinded by anyone. And it works pretty good with the headlights as well. So I'll show you now me riding around and giving my thought. I don't have a mic yet for my GoPro Hero 7, so I'm going to do a voiceover. So while you're watching the video, you can just hear me talking over it and expressing how I like the glasses. So yeah, stay tuned. Hey there, and what's up YouTube? So today I'm going to be doing something on the motorcycle, and I'll give you also an update on the Civic at the end of the video. And yeah, so I got a company that sent me out some mirrors for my bike. It's called Kemi Moto, and yeah, so I'll show you my bike how it looks now. Don't worry about my yard right now. I'm actually in the process of cleaning everything out and buying new mulch again. But anyways, as you remember, I had these handlebars installed. I put these on, and well, my mirrors are no longer functional. I can't really see out of them. So I'm going to be taking the original mirrors out and putting in these new handlebars that I have over there. They're going to hook up inside the handlebars. So I'm going to take these old black caps out and everything. And yeah, and then we'll be removing these. And in replacement of these, I'm going to be putting some blinkers up here, like short stubbies. Well, I have to get those ordered, but for now they'll be blank and I won't have blinkers in the front. So, but I'll have mirrors. So let's do an unboxing. All right. So this is what you first get. Trying to get the camera to stay. Okay. Okay, so it looks like these are the instructions, which I'm probably going to need because I never installed these before. Oh, and here's the mirror. Oh, okay, cool. So it comes with the hardware to tighten everything down. And here's the mirror. Oh yeah, that looks nice. They feel good too, and I like how it's a matte. It's a matte black, so it actually like matches my bike. So I can see myself right there. Alright, so the first thing we're going to have to do is take off those caps on the bike. So we're going to take these off. I'm going to disconnect these, pull them out. I'm going to use like a flathead. And then I'm going to disconnect these, which is, I believe it's just a couple bolts. Yeah, right there. Looks like a 10mm. And then just pop these off and disconnect the wiring. So stay tuned. I'm going to take these off and disconnect these. Alright guys, so I just took the cap out. I wanted to show you something because from factory it's going to come like this, and obviously it's not going to fit. It's too big. Let me grab my tool back. But anyways, so I was looking at the instructions. So it does come with two sizes. So once you take it off, so when you first get it, sorry about this, hold on. It's going to look like this. What I did is I loosened it and then unscrewed the whole entire thing, right? So it's like this. So you're going to take it and flip it over, just tighten it a couple threads, and then you're going to want to pull this piece off right here. just yank on it. And you'll pull this little plastic piece. Then should be able to put this all the way back in and then stick it into the handlebar like so. There we go. Okay, so it's gonna go the other way. So give me 1 second. Alright, you guys, I got the mirror right here now, and I got my flathead. So what you're gonna do is take it in between it. See how easy that was? Pop that out. And then here is the stock light, or the stock mirror. When you first get it out of the box, it's gonna have this piece on here. You're gonna have to take that off. So take the bigger Allen key that comes with the kit and loosen it. Ooh, be careful not to scratch it. Okay, so once that's loosened, okay, well, I gotta loosen it more. It's quite tight on there. So take it all the way off, I guess. Just loosen the screw. I'm gonna show you what I figured out on the last one, why it wasn't gripping on there. Okay, got it all the way out. Good. So you're gonna take this metal piece off after you unscrew it. Just take it all the way out. Put the mirror to the side. Now you're gonna want to separate this. I'll use a flathead to get this out. Or actually, hold on, I didn't use the flathead. I used the screw on the mirror. So just flip it around, and then get a couple threads, just like before, and then start pulling it. There you go, and this piece will come off. But wait, there's more. I'm just dropping everything today. So see that little cap on there? Screw it back on again, and wiggle this. See? Now that cap's off. Now take the cap back off again. Now, this is what I figured out. So, as you see, it has these two little indents right here, right? Now if you see right here, it also has these little indents. So that's for this, so it locks in like that, it won't move. Then, you grab this bullet piece back, and you're gonna put it on like this. See how it's kind of concave in the inside? So as it gets tighter in there, it's gonna separate these to stretch out while it goes inside the handlebar. So just get it on there snug, like this. Just right there. Okay, just make it loose, because you don't want to be fighting this. There we go again. Drop the washer. So make sure everything's on there. Make sure my camera's recording. Okay. So I'm gonna fold this mirror back out, just like that. Put it in, just like that. And now you're gonna have to tighten it. And just tighten it to where it's snug on there. Oop, I can already feel it gripping on there. All right, so I'm gonna sit on the bike now. I'll move the camera some back so you can see. Let's move this up. And now what you're gonna just wanna do is just sit on the bike and level it, straighten it out. And you're gonna wanna make it so you can see behind you. I'm also using the glasses they provided me as well. These came with from the same company, Kemi Moto. So, sorry, my dog's barking. Hey, go lay down. Go lay down. Oop, almost dropped that. That would've been bad. Okay. So now you're gonna adjust them. Just adjust it to where you can see. Hopefully you can see everything. Okay, and then you're gonna want to tighten it with the other wrench. Once you have it set though. Alright, once you have it set, tighten everything down. Okay. Doesn't look too bad. I actually kind of like it. And I'll try to see if I can show it from light. Yeah. so let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. I'm going to post the links and everything down below as well, and there's going to be a 10% discount code. So if you go on the link I'm going to provide, enter in that coupon, and you'll get 10% off. So yeah, I'm now going to go test drive this thing and see how it is, and I'm going to test out the glasses as well. And yeah, so stay tuned, guys. Alright, you guys, I took out the bike for a ride, and the mirrors are great. I like that I can actually like turn my handlebars now and actually look around instead of just having it sitting stationary like it used to be. I want to also thank the company Kemi Moto for sending me out the glasses and the mirrors. So far I like them. These definitely look good when you have your helmet on, otherwise looking like this you look like you're wearing like some superhero glasses or something. But these actually work pretty good with the wind and everything, which is actually really nice. The wind wasn't getting up while I had my visor up, so I actually like that. So it's also good if you have like only a half face helmet, so if it's like just a part that tops mixing up my word, if it's only the skull cap, that's what I think what they're called, skull cap. So if it's one of those, it'll work really well with them instead of wearing just like I know people wear safety glasses and stuff like that. But the mirrors definitely made a huge improvement. Now I can actually see behind me. Before I wasn't able to because I now sit upwards and the mirrors are lower where I used to sit down. But yeah, I'm really happy that they sent me out these mirrors. They're really great, and everything so far went easy install, no modifying, nothing, just literally bolt in. It literally took me 5 minutes to put in both of them. And now I just got to get some caps. Either I'm going to block them off or just put the blinkers. I just found out the blinkers, they don't sit flush over that, so I might just get some block off adapters and then maybe drill some holes in the inner walls of the plastic and have the blinkers sticking out from the sides. So we'll see what I'll do, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, stay tuned for the next video. And also for the update on the Civic, I now have almost all of my parts, so I'm only literally now just missing the rear T-bracket. But yeah, the axles I found I gotta get from a 94, 98, between 94 to 98 I think they said, Integra with the non-ABS. Because the axles I got right here, I'll show you. These are from my D series, but these will not work on there at all. So I'm gonna have to get some Integra non-ABS axles, and then I can put them in. But I now have the other parts for my transmission, so I can put my mounts in on here. And now I'm gonna get the transmission ready to get put in. I gotta put the clutch in and everything. But yeah, I'm gonna finish that Civic, so I'm really excited to have it done, hopefully soon. I know it's been taking a while and I apologize for that, but I gotta get bills paid first. But I'm gonna finish now cleaning up my yard. My dogs ripped through their garbage and went nuts yesterday and just ripped all my bags open. I had all my charcoal bags and all their dog food sitting out here, and they just ripped pieces of paper everywhere and they went through the garbage. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that video, and yeah, stay tuned for more videos. I'm gonna finish cleaning now.